As an independent videographer, I was looking for a gimbal that is perfect for smartphone filmmaking solo. Today, we are going to the dance studio to test out the Hohem iSteady M6 that was just released. So let me share what's special about this 3-axis gimbal. Hohem iSteady M6 is the most innovative gimbal on the market right now. And it's also sturdy and durable. The magnetic field light integrated with the AI vision sensor. Just an OK sign to start the AI tracking, and the model can have fun with this by herself. Just a palm sign to stop the AI tracking. It is very easy and sensitive. With a field light, we will have different lighting options. Use the gimbal's wheel to set the color temperature between 2700K and 6500K. An RGB light at your choice. Choose the color you like the most. iSteady M6 has a unique wide-angle mode. Trigger 4 times to set the gimbal to the wide-angle position. There is also a load-angle mode, so we can have some cinematically free movements. The iSteady M6 has rotatable phone mount. We can shoot with it in vertical or portrait mode easily. One of my favorite features is the Inception Mode. It's 360-degree infinite spin rotation. Press the M button 3 times and the stabilizer will be ready for that. We can also use the focus control wheel to set the focus manually. Press and hold the trigger button, it can activate the sport mode. We won't miss any quick movements anymore. The payload capacity is up to 400 grams. Multiple external accessories can be added, such as a microphone, a fill light, or a phone lens. On the side of the M6 there are the A and the B buttons to make cool motion time-lapse and get more behind the scenes. Be professional as a solo smartphone filmmaker with Hohem iSteady M6.